We're very excited. As you can see here, we've got a photovoltaic array here on top of Beville Middle School. The power that's generated and the electricity that's generated from these systems goes right into our school to supplement the electricity that we would otherwise be pulling from the grid. The way our solar panels work on top of our roofs is they really contain photovoltaic cells, and those cells capture sunlight and convert that sunlight into an electrical field that travels across the solar panel and then is picked up by a DC to AC inverter, which then converts that energy into electricity and provides it directly into the system, into the school. It's a huge benefit to our community because it's really reducing our overall energy cost, it's increasing our efficiency, and then there's a reduction of the greenhouse gas which goes out into the atmosphere and the environments. We are connecting this to students' learning, so the Energy Management Sustainability team is working with NEED, the National Energy Education Directive.
They're learning about UV, they're learning about photovoltaics. They actually get to see one of the panels that are on the roof that are down on the ground.
What I've learned is solar energy is renewable and it can be used at all times.
I don't think kids really understand how science can be applied in their real lives until they kind of see how it really exists. So being able to be out here with the solar panels, seeing what they look like and getting down and dirty with it, I think it's really cool.
Energy bills that we get within the school system on a building this size of 250,000 square feet is astronomical. Installing these solar panels is going to cut that in half, if not more. The sun is probably the biggest renewable resource we have, and for us to use it is about as responsible as we can get. Our roofs are flat, wide open, and basically set up for the sun's rays, and anything that we can do to help supplement and decrease our energy usage is something we should absolutely strive for in Prince William County Schools.